Righto, here we are, out to collect some trash. I don't know what this is, pile of scrap metal of some sort. Rusted old, burnt out, something, I don't know. But she's not much good here in the trails. It's just in everybody's way and it's looking ugly. So let's clean up the joint and take this thing home. Well, not home, somewhere we can dump it. Geez, those cicadas are loud. Probably can't even hear me talking over these things. Crazy. Oh, it's game time now. Got some winch ropes hooked up to it. Just steadying tackle over the far side there. Coming to the back of the car. I mean the pile of scrap metal. And we'll see if we can flip this straight onto the trailer. And then just drag it up a little more. And we'll be good to go. Let's see how she does. Righto, she's coming up quite nicely there. So I'm not filming while I'm doing it, but it's a bit difficult. I'm holding the phone. Hang on, let me see if I can just... Yeah, we might be able to manage this. Righto, let's see if we can go a bit further and get it gently laying over in the trailer. It's not going to be gentle, it's going to come down with a bit of a thud. That's alright. I'll just go in a bit more with my steadying tackle. My steadying tackle doesn't let go somehow. Down here to a tree. We're pretty high up on a tree, but it's decent. We're not asking too much from that one. Just this rolling tackle. Yeah, it's not pulling too hard now either. Didn't even seem to pull hard at the start. Oh, that's coming up nicely. Righto, at this point I might get some timbers in there ready for the thud down on my trailer, because it might be a little bit violent. Don't want too much damage on the back there. Righto, I'm back to you in a sec. Righto, now we've just moved the vehicle back down. So we're up against it here. It's going to set up some steadying straps to make sure this doesn't slip away on us. And then we'll pull the rest of the way over. It should come over reasonably gentle. Still keep this going so that we're not here for too long, because we're blocking the track. Anyway, righto, we're in a better spot now. We've got less distance between us and the vehicle. I mean the scrap metal. And we've got some steadying straps here, just to make sure it's not going to slip away on us. And it should come down kind of sort of gentle. It'll be a bit of a thud at the end. I could rig up some steadying tackle off my other winch in there, but should be right. Alright, again I'm going to try to do this one-handed so I can film a little bit. We'll see how she comes up. Switch these winches on. And we come. Oh, that's working nicely. I'll just go out a smidge, I think, on the steering tackle. Here we go. Yep, nice. Yeah, some crap falling out of this thing. There we go. I might just steady some things here, readjust a few things before it comes down on us, get some timbers going. I'll be back with you in a sec. Alrighty, so we got a few timbers down. Hopefully it'll land on those, otherwise it might be a couple of dents in my tray, but I'm not too phased. We'll see how we go. Might see if I can... Nah, it's still going to want to lean over. We'll see how this goes. It might start pulling it over to the side here once it starts falling, so it could be a bit of an issue, but you get that. We'll sort that out. have it on top now. Still wanting to lean over a little bit further. We might not be able to. We might be able to release that steadying tackle right off. Unfortunately, there's no perfect vantage point on the other side's better, but then I'm in a place I don't want to be where the winch rope is pointing at me. Anyway, it might start falling any second now, I think. It's coming down pretty nice. Oh, that worked out beautifully. That worked out real nice. Real nice. Look at that. Now we're just going to drag it up onto the tray a little bit further and we're good to go. I'll be back with you shortly. Righto, packed up most of my stuff. Just going to roll up out of the way so I'm not blocking the track and move a little bit further forward on flat ground and then strap this piece of crap down and off we go. Get it out of here. Might stop and pick up some of this junk that's on the ground here too, eh? Righto, be back with you in a sec. Righto, just going to try to pull it up a little ways now. She's struggling. Here we go. Yeah, we might go a little bit more. Well, there you have it. Strapped down. Collected most of the stuff that I could. There's these little bits of belt, tire belting in stuff here that you can't really, you grab it and it just disintegrates, unfortunately, but it's half rusted already. It'll dissipate, turn back into dirt. But there we have it. Good to go. Let's get this hunk of junk out of here. Bit of rain on the track here and no one will even notice it was a piece of scrap metal burnt out here. Awesome. Job done.